What's up, Monkeys and friends? Good morning! So it's our night day on vacation, and today we're back in Colmar because yesterday we wasn't able to go ride to the boat because we needed to book ahead of time, and it's fully booked. By the time we arrived, it was quite late. It's like 6 p.m. So yesterday, what I mean is that we booked online, and then we only got the spot of 10:20 a.m. So we had to wake up early because it's like an hour drive going here. So now we're finally here and it's like 10 a.m. So we're still early for our boat ride. And the boat ride costs only 7 euros. And we're here in Colmar in Little Venice. Petite Venice. So if you're ready, then let's get started.
The 25-minute guided tour will bring you to the Little Venice, a picturesque area in the heart of the old city through which flows a quiet river called the Lauchi. In here, you will discover its lovely authentic landscape on a flat-bottom boat. You will be charmed by its original view of Colmar. The departures are made at the foot of the bridge of Saint Pierre, next to its restaurant.
Millionaire is because of the cost. These houses cost around 3 million euros.
It follows the half-timbered houses and appreciates the serenity of the district of the truck farmers, whereabouts a generous vegetation. Next up, we headed to the covered market for our lunch.
Yung pinakang market nila. Oh my God, ang ganda ng exterior design ng building. Saka super linis naman. Mamumura yung pagkain dito. Ayan. 190 yung mga bread. Pwede na. 4 pieces, 7 euro. So if you're looking for something cheaper to eat and to buy, just go inside this market. Mga cheese. O diba mas mura to, 1940 lang per kg. Yesterday was 60 plus.
Colmar's covered market is situated in a historic hall dating from 1865. The market continuously welcomes more than 20 produce growers, artisans, and trade people selling a wide variety of high-quality products. The restaurant by the river served delicious and decent meal for a cheaper price than normal restaurants offer. After our sumptuous meal, we had a little playtime just before we ride back to Lingolsheim. But on our way to our accommodation, we decided to have a little castle tour along the way.
We're on our way to Koenigsbourg. It's one of the famous castles here in Alsace Region. Tingnan niyo yung view. Oh my God. Hindi masyadong kita dito. Pero super ganda. Ang daming tao. They're parked along the road because the parking area is so full. We'll see if we can still get in because our COVID pass lasts only for 72 hours. So we'll see. And it's quite a hike from where we park down the road. Pagoda si Mamshi. Ayan. Baka manganak ako. Kaya slowly but surely. Ano ng Diyos ako, BFF? Si Madam Mosel. Ayan ang castle, my God. Bastion and Entor. Andun yung view, oh.
The moment you step over the threshold of the great door at Haut du Koenigsburg Castle, you will find yourself in a whole new world, the Middle Ages. Plunge into an environment of architecture and furnishings steeped in history. The omnipresent drawbridges, armory, keep and cannons are a constant reminder of the purpose of this mountain fortress, which has been besieged, destroyed, and pillaged numerous times since its construction.
Nice. There's a garden. Wow, ang ganda ng view. Grabehan sa view, oh. Uy.
This tour ended up with big smiles and happy times. The next day, it's sad but we have to say goodbye to the Forteres. Till our next adventure! If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!